Dress So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a creepy clown to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw the scary clown, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right next to it, say about this wide, and we're going to draw another circle. There, and then I'm going to come into the center and just draw a little dot on both sides. Then from there, I'm going to come to the sides right here, right in the center, about right here, and I'm just going to surround this eye. This big curve, and then just bring it right back. So it's kind of like this big teardrop shape. And same thing right across, about right here. There, and I'll come in here and let's just shade it in black so you can see a little bit better. So hopefully this clown will inspire you to draw something a little bit scarier, creepier for Halloween. Hopefully it's not too creepy, it's still a little bit cute, right? It is a Draw So Cute creepy clown. Okay, there. And then I'm going to come to the top right here in the center and just add a little point, just to give it some more decoration. And here, there. And then I'm going to come above the eye, right over the eye, and I'm just going to draw this really high arched brow. And then thicken it up and come down. And same thing right here. So this is where hopefully this will inspire you to come up with your own creepy clown. There's so many things you can do. And I just really hope this inspires you. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the nose. I'm just going to make it a very basic clown nose. I'm just going to draw a big circle right here in the center, in between the eyes, right there. And then now the mouth. So let's come right here. We're just going to draw a little V right underneath. Actually, no, that's kind of cute. Just leave it as that, right? But let's draw a big mouth for this clown. So we're going to bring it all the way to the sides. All the way to the sides, to the top. And then let's widen it up. These big red lips. There, and we're going to cap it off on the sides. And let's come back in here for some details. So another little V, and then we're just going to thicken up the lips. There. And then for some teeth, right? It wouldn't be complete without some teeth, so I'm just going to zigzag across, and then at the bottom as well. And I'll just fill in this space with black so you can see a little bit better. There, so now it's getting creepy, right? Okay, so then now we're gonna have to surround the face. So let's come, let's say to the center of this eye. I'm gonna come out about right here, and I will give myself a point. Center of your eye, come out. Then from there, we're going to come around, just give our clown some cheekbones. So just go curve around towards the mouth, and then we're going to come towards the center. So I'm going to come to the center, give myself a little point right here, and then I'm going to come in a little bit, give it some cheeks in kind of where the mouth is, and then I'm going to bring it down, and then come back to my point. So once again, same thing, come in a little bit, and then just bring it down to your point. There. And then let's go up. So now that we have this, let's go up and up. Just gonna come in a little bit, and then towards the top, we're just gonna go up nice and high. And about right there, I'm just gonna bring it in towards the center. Give our clown a hairline, and then same thing on the other side and connect. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw some ears. So about kind of right here where the cheekbones are. Just gonna draw in some detail right here as well. The inside detail, and then for the hair. So for the hair, I just decided to do your typical clown hair. So Just gonna come around here and draw 3 clumps. So like I said, this is just meant to inspire you, and I can't wait to see your fan art, see what you come up with. So about right here, you'll draw the top clump. So I'm gonna go towards the center and then come right back down. And once again, we're gonna draw the other side. So center, big clump, and then down, and connect. There. And then for the top right here, you can just come in here, just draw some curves for some detail. Okay, so then now that we have that, we're finally done with the head. Let's draw the body. So I'm going to simplify the body, and we're going to come about right here. We're just going to come slope down for some shoulders, and same thing here. Just slope down for some shoulders, and then right in the center, I'm going to draw this big bow for our clown. So I'm just going to come about right here. And same thing here. Big bow. There. And then we're going to imagine shoulder area, the armpit area. I'm just going to come about right here. Since it's a very big suit, I'm just not going to bother with the armpit area. I'm just going to come about right here. Curve down. And then we're going to bring this down. This little clown jumpsuit. So I'm going to bring it down pretty low, say about right here. I'll just give myself a little angle line right in the center, and this is where the legs are going to start. So let's bring this down a little bit lower. Just give it a little bit of a bow. Let's take a look how long, tall you want your clown to be, and about right there. Go ahead and bring this in. So pop out a little bit, and then I'm just going to go ahead and bring it in. So same thing here. And bring it in. There. And then right about here, I'm just going to cut it off. And then we're going to draw some ruffles. So let's bring this out, pop this out, and just wobble across. So same thing here. Wobble across. There. And then we're going to have to draw some big clown shoes, right? So we're going to come right here and draw a curve, and I'll pop this out nice and long, bring it down, and then just go ahead and connect. Just give it a little bit of a wobble. So same thing here. Bring this out just like the other side, curve down, and once again, and connect. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the arm. So let's work on this one since this one is just down. We're going to bring it down, some poofy sleeves. So I want the hands to be about right here. I'm going to poof up the sleeves, connect, give it another little ruffle right there, and then the hands. So we're just going to see part of the thumb. We'll just make it simple. We're just going to draw 2 little curves. And then this side's holding a balloon. So let's come out. We're just going to bend these arms right here. And let's see, let's go up. Right there, and then connect. And then ruffle. There, and then let's draw a thumb. Comes down a little bit, and then some fingers. So just kind of like this oval right here, and then draw 2 curves, and connect. So it's just very simple, simplified, and I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line through the thumb. It's going to come down and then just wobble a little bit, and then about right there, I'll go ahead and start our balloon. So I'm going to come right here and draw this big balloon and connect. There. Okay, so then now that we are pretty much done, let's draw some details right here. I'm going to put in buttons, so maybe this one will be a heart and another circle, and I'll connect it right in the center and come straight down there. So when you're coloring, you can put stripes on one side, polka dots on one side, or whatever you come up with. And that is pretty much it. I really hope I've inspired you today to draw this creepy clown that's hopefully not too creepy, a little bit cute, to celebrate Halloween. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.